Hi Thrive community, it's Dr. Brianna Tivey with Thrive Chiropractic, and I am here to tell you about something I'm very excited about, which is our next Thrive After Hours event. It's going to be taking place on Wednesday, January 19th at 6 o'clock, and it's going to be about body weight exercises. And what I mean by that is that there are a lot of people who don't know where to start with exercise, and they're intimidated by gyms, or they don't have the time or money to commit to a gym. But the fact of the matter is that there are a number of ways that we can get really good and sufficient exercise in our own homes with little to no equipment. So I'm going to be talking to you about what body weight exercises are, how we can modify them for any fitness level or any potential injuries that you have, and how you can create a really sufficient workout in the confines of your home with little to no workout. I'm very excited to have you and any friends or family that you'd like to have join us. You can stop into the clinic to hold your spot now. We are going to have limited space, but I'm very excited about this event and to share this information with you and help you create another way to commit to your health in 2022.